3-4 महीने पहले बीमार हुई थी, तो मैं उसको इमरजेंसी में लेके आया था और वहाँ पे डॉक्टर मुजम्मिल मौजूद थे।
That same Dr. Muzammil is now a key figure in the investigation into the blast near the Red Fort in Delhi. There's an uninterrupted movement of police vehicles and media persons in and out of the main entrance of Al Falah University in Faridabad.
कि हमने तो ये अपने जन्म से ही यूनिवर्सिटी देखी है, ये तो बहुत पुरानी यूनिवर्सिटी है।
Dr. Muzammil Ganai was a junior resident doctor working in the emergency wing of the institute. To his classmates and professors at Al Falah Medical College and Hospital in Dhauj, Faridabad, Dr. Muzammil Shakil Ganai was a quiet, soft-spoken resident doctor. 3 doctors associated with the university, Umar Mohammad, Muzammil Shakil and Shaheen Shahid, have reportedly been linked to the investigation. Faridabad police said Muzammil used his low profile as a medical student to operate unnoticed while coordinating with Dr. Adil and another doctor, Dr. Umar Nabi, both from Kashmir. Nabi is believed to be the man driving the car that exploded near Red Fort. After all this, students say fear has gripped the campus. Many worry that someone linked to the case could still be on the campus. They're also anxious about their future as the arrest will make it harder to find jobs.
हमारे गांव के लिए बड़ी ये शर्मिंदगी की बात है कि हमारा गांव बदनाम हो रहा है इसमें।
Meanwhile, the university said it had no connection with the said persons apart from their official duties and described the reports linking to the case as baseless and defamatory. The university, which began as an engineering college in 1997, is run by the Al Falah Charitable Trust. The university received UGC recognition in 2015 and spans about 70 acres, housing several colleges and a 650-bed hospital. Professor Jawad Ahmed Siddiqui, chairman of the trust and chancellor since 2014, also heads Al Falah Investments Limited. A 2000 Milli Gazette report claimed he was once arrested in Delhi for allegedly collecting funds fraudulently, though little else is known about him. The current Vice Chancellor, Dr. Bhupinder Kaur Anand, also heads the medical college. Even though it's a charitable institution, the Times of India reported that donations have come from Arab countries. And now investigators are asking, how did a place of learning end up at the heart of such a chilling probe?
More.